A response this evening from Mayor of Port Maria, Fitzroy Wilson, after a viral video showing an encounter between himself and a resident. According to the mayor, the video does not capture what really happened. Cleaning of the town in Port Maria in progress on Sunday. A well-needed activity, according to the mayor, Fitzroy Wilson. But in the midst of the power washing and drain cleaning, a resident with a burning question about the state of the roads. In the viral video, the mayor is seen approaching the man.
The place want fix. So now I show. Look, we are do. Bust up that. We are do. We are you touch my phone. We are do. What you want do? Man, we are do. Man, we are do. Boy, you touch my phone. Man, you assault me. I want. Me say, man, you assault me. Me say. Man, me afraid of you. Me afraid of you, man.
A man in a blue shirt could be heard telling the mayor to walk away. In an interview with TVJ News Monday, the mayor says he was provoked.
This gentleman who came there with a lot of expletives, threatening words, echoed at me. A lot of threatening words and so on. So he would have said some things, and I went for clarity to see exactly how and when he was going to be able to execute those plans.
According to the mayor, the video on social media does not tell the complete story.
What I was sent as to what, that is not at all what transpired there. It went as far as the police was to come and escort the man away because he was the aggressor. He would have pushed his phone right up into my face recording, and I would have pushed his phone out of my face. I did not touch him, his body, his person, or nothing.
This is the moment the police intervened. Based on the video, he was attempting to calm the resident down.
A free-speaking country. Me ask a question and me want box me down. Me want ask a question, officer, me ask a question. And me ask, I come down for me want box me down. Hey, you should have tried. I see if I have a fire shot in our town.
The mayor also took issue with the criticisms by the resident who questioned the municipal corporation's priorities.
His issue was that we are cleaning drains and washing downtown, and roads need fixing. I'm saying, where do we draw the line in our society? Where do we draw the line? Look, in some societies, you don't even reach close to a mayor. You have a mayor that is on the ground, supervising RBs be there with drains being cleaned, and persons are not appreciative.
Going forward, Mr. Wilson says he'll be seeking legal advice on the matter.